guys, today is our day 2 in Salzburg. Actually it is our day 1 because we arrived yesterday from Prague and we just went off to sleep. We were so tired. I haven't shown you around the hotel, so just have a look. It's a beautiful lush green property. The name of the hotel is Romantik. This beautiful property is 20 minutes outside of Salzburg. These are the places that we are going to visit now. I really hope that by the end of the day we are able to cover most of them. Let's see how the day goes. I'll keep you guys updated. The first place that we are exploring today are the Mirabellgarten. It's a beautiful and a very huge garden. As you can see, there are a lot of flowers. Such an exciting day. Right now we are at the Salzburg river, which runs in Germany and Austria, and we are ending our day with this beautiful sunset. Hey guys, good morning again. Today we are going to the Gollinger Waterfalls. I'm very excited for that because it's a very popular tourist destination. A lot of people have recommended this place. Also, I've seen it in few blogs while researching about our Austrian trip. So yeah, very excited about it. That's our ride for the day till the city center. Woohoo! So it took us 20 minutes by train from Salzburg HBF to Gollinger Waterfalls. And from here it is going to take us 20 minutes to reach the waterfalls.
Shortfall, you are breaking down my wall. Now I'm a waterfall. As I recall, we were all in all and off and on a waterfall. Won't you stop, 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 seriously stop, whoa, drop the floppy covers blown. And what did you think I would not find?
I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, oh you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep?
Hey guys, good morning. Just realized 1 hour before checking out that we haven't really checked out the pool area. So we came here, but unfortunately the pool is getting cleaned. So decided to soak in the sun and laze around and chill here. Yeah, that's what we are doing. And now we have a train in another 2 to 3 hours to Mayrhofen. It's a cute little town, so I'm very excited to go there. We are in Salzburg, and if you are looking for a place that is quiet, so Romantik Hotel should be your go-to place. It is really good and the views are absolutely stunning.